physically pregnant for all your children, especially this
Has he told you there was a time your father brought a native doctor to? As you are here now, you are crying of a nation. 3 sisters. 2 is married in the neighboring village. 1 is married. I push you into the realm of wealth. Somebody did something terrifying. The thing works against your father, and now it's working against you people that are the children. There's 2 ways of entering the compound: from the back and from the front. And you can follow the back and cross to the next village. It's an idol in your father family. They say they are no more serving it, but it's still there. I stress you, and I saw your foundation somewhere from Abia State. Where are you from, sir? Abia State. You honor me? Doctor of the sea.
Let me deal with this man.
Which man? Which man? Bring her to me.
I was coming on that road that is muddy. You know when they come on red sand? Before I saw your father's house, Yupo front is occupied with mud sand. It's not white sand. It's red sand. Small hill. You enter your father's house. Enter his brother's house. Move on the road. Enter the other last one. Your father senior that last one. The last one senior the middle one.
By how you care, I'm amazed you're so full of love. You've been good from distant past, and yet you're still doing good.
Oh, I'm talking on the issue about your own father's house. Because when you come on the father family, it's just like a polygamous home of 3 different women. How many, sir? 3 different women.
I see you physically pregnant, but spiritually I see you not pregnant. In the night you see yourself with sleep. You will not remember one thing. You have dreamt we are on 2 occasions while you were dreaming. You are not carrying pregnancy in the dream. You know what that thing means? They used to come and remove the baby when you are sleeping. That is why at times in the dream you will say like this while you're dreaming. You see baby crawl, be coming to meet you. That baby that used to crawl come and meet you is your baby they remove. When it's coming back, you will crawl and come and enter. Why are you crying now? Why are you crying? You are crying, say you are not crying.
What did I do to deserve this kind of love?
This is Yupo's compound, located outside. You know they build the house, you can follow back and enter, follow back, enter. Follow the passage at the front, enter. And close to it is a small house. At the corner here, there's a small house. The kitchen is at the back. Both houses is at the back of the kitchen. Plantains are at the back.
Are you just watching?
Who brought you here? Through internet. You saw us through internet.
Yes, sir. I saw your prophecy. That is why I came.
You saw the prophecy. They've taken on the wealth of your father's generation. Look at 1, 2, 3 different young men. You are 3 young men. The first one, you are the second one.
Yes, sir.
Yes, and the third one.
Yes, sir.
Before 2 girls.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm going to pray for you.
You
So
showed
tell
up
the
for
God that
me.
you watched. The God of Abraham, the God of Isaac, the God of Jacob.
Amen.
Shani manema kopeleta.
In the name of Jesus Christ, send away.
I had
Touch your
no
tummy.
meaning, Lord.
Press it as you like. Shake it.
I
Do
had
with anything you
no
want to do. The things you
standard.
cannot do before.
Had no helper.
You are free.
Yes, sir.
Just like that.
No more stomach problem.
Just
It's
like
no more
that.
hurting you.
No more problem.
It's no more paining you.
Yes, sir.
Just like that. It's gone.
Free, sir.
To sit at your right hand. What did I do to deserve this kind of love? And God said, in that